Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the Hoco HI35 300Mbps 2.4G Wi-Fi repeater using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, plug the Hoco HI35 Wi-Fi repeater into a wall power socket. Place it near your main Wi-Fi router during the setup process. Wait about 20 to 30 seconds for the device to power on. The LED light on the repeater will start blinking or become stable. Find the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. The button may be labeled WPS or WPS/reset. It is usually located on the back or side of the router. Press the WPS button on the router once. After pressing it, the router enters WPS pairing mode for about 2 minutes. During this time, the WPS light on the router may start blinking. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the repeater. Hold the button for 1 to 2 seconds, then release it. The LED indicator on the repeater will start blinking, showing it is searching for the router. The repeater will automatically connect to the router. This process usually takes 30 to 60 seconds. When the connection is successful, the signal LED becomes stable. The repeater copies the router's Wi-Fi settings. After successful pairing, the repeater creates an extended Wi-Fi network. The network name usually appears as your Wi-Fi name _xt or your Wi-Fi name repeater. The password will be the same as your main router password. Unplug the repeater and move it to a location between the router and the weak signal area. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.